morning, friends. I'm Dr. Navdeep Singh. I'm a senior consultant in the Department of Pediatric Cardiology, and I take care of children who have heart problems. I would like to greet everyone on the occasion of World Heart Day. When we think of heart problems, normally the elderly come to mind, but we should not forget that roughly more than 2 lakh children every year are born in our country with heart diseases also. This is like 1% of the whole population, which is a huge number in a country like ours. Unfortunately, very few of these children, roughly around 10% of them, are actually detected and get any kind of formal treatment from a unit having pediatric cardiology services. Many, unfortunately, go detected or undetected or are detected at very late stages where there's not much that can be done. Some even succumb to the illness. So today I would like basically to create awareness about children having heart diseases. And once the general population and the medical professionals are aware of these problems, we can pick them up early. We can save so many of these precious lives. So these diseases can be picked up relatively early, even before these children are born. We do a specialized test which is called fetal echocardiography, where during pregnancy, in the 4th or 5th month of pregnancy, we can detect these problems in the unborn child, and we can accordingly prepare and treat these children even at the earliest, even at birth itself. Sometimes these problems are detected after birth, and the symptoms of these problems are that children have recurrent pneumonia-like illnesses, they have difficulty in breathing, they have difficulty in feeding, they do not grow well, they can have excessive sweating, or they can have excessive crying. Some of these children are blue, and the older children can even present with palpitations, etc. So sometimes even these children may be apparently normal, and the child specialist picks up a normal heart sound and he refers them to a pediatric cardiologist. Children's heart diseases are very different to adult heart diseases. There are many defects that children are born with. That's why they are called congenital heart defects. There can be holes in the heart. There can be valves which are abnormal or very tight. There can be extra vessels in the heart. The normal vessels can be very tight or sometimes malformed. The normal 4-chamber of the heart can sometimes be only 3 chambers or sometimes even 2 chambers. So they are very, very different to adult problems. So they need a different kind of approach and treatment. Sometimes problems can manifest later on in life. These are called acquired heart problems, like diseases of the heart muscles, infections of the heart valves, hypertension. There are other problems also which are relative to the rhythm of the heart that can be abnormal. There might be heart block or very, very fast rhythms. So these are the various problems that children can be affected with. The most important test to diagnose these problems is an echocardiogram. Echocardiography should be done by most of the times it is done by a pediatric cardiologist, because these are complex problems and are often missed by the untrained eye. Once these are picked up, many of these can be treated by medical management with medicines only. Some require interventions, and interventions are where we close these heart holes with special devices. We can balloon the heart valves or the heart vessels which are very tight. Sometimes we can stent them also. All these procedures are done without a scar, without stitches. Many times, often these children go back home the very next day and they go on to have absolutely normal lives. Some of these problems cannot be treated this way and they need a open heart surgery. Most of these children are blue babies, and these surgeries are done by a team of highly specialized people who are dedicated to pediatric cardiology and cardiothoracic surgery. I would like to dispel this notion that many people have that these children are never going to become normal. They're going to have physical or mental disability. It is not the case in most of these children. If we detect them early, we treat them at the appropriate time, these children go on to have a normal, healthy life like any of these children, any of the children who have no, and they go on to become useful or productive members to the society. So in the end, I would like to wish all of you that you stay safe, you stay healthy, wear masks, practice hand hygiene, practice social distancing, physical distancing, and let's win this war against this corona pandemic. Thank you so much.